On February 25, 2022, the Suiso frontier appeared on the horizon off the coast of Japan. The carrier had returned to Japan after loading liquefied hydrogen at a faraway port in Australia, crossing the scorching equator and traversing the globe. With this, the success of a global hydrogen supply chain pilot project was just within arm's reach. HySTRA aims to establish a hydrogen-based world that commonly utilizes hydrogen in the same way as oil and natural gas. To achieve this, hydrogen is produced from untapped natural resources that exist abundantly in resource-rich countries and then transported in mass volumes to Japan. Continued efforts to realize this grand vision have made significant progress. The world's first liquefied hydrogen marine carrier was launched on December 11, 2019. With the hopes it would open the door to a hydrogen-based world and spread the word Suiso, or hydrogen, around the globe, the carrier was named the Suiso Frontier. Construction of Hi-Touch Kobe, a liquefied hydrogen receiving terminal in Japan, was completed in June 2020. Equipped with a variety of state-of-the-art liquefied hydrogen apparatus, this marked the start of cargo handling demonstration of unparalleled global scale. The production of liquefied hydrogen took place in Victoria, Australia. High-grade hydrogen was produced from untapped natural resources found in Australia's resource-rich land. The hydrogen was then transported to a port in Hastings, where it was liquefied and awaited departure. The Suiso Frontier departed Japan on its maiden voyage and arrived in the port of Hastings in January 2022. After loading the Australian-produced liquefied hydrogen, the carrier set off on its return trip to Japan. After a long voyage over the open seas, the Suiso Frontier returned home to Hi-Touch Kobe in February 2022. Its cargo, liquefied hydrogen produced in Australia, was unloaded into the onshore storage tanks. Leading the world with hydrogen to create when there's no precedent. This project, which also aims to herald new global criteria, has crossed the equator, linked faraway countries, and finally made possible the long-distance transport of mass volumes of hydrogen. Since the completion of this demonstration voyage between Australia and Japan, we have continued to develop technology and conduct tests towards the commercialization in around 2030 of a hydrogen supply chain. Natural heat ingress from the outside causes liquefied hydrogen to gasify. Thus, it is essential to insulate and maintain the cryogenically cooled hydrogen at 253 degrees Celsius to prevent gasification. In December 2023, our high-performance vacuum insulation technology has proved it is possible to achieve a boil-off rate of liquefied hydrogen in tanks exposed to natural heat ingress from the outside during both long-term marine transport and onshore storage that is equal to or lower than similar class liquefied natural gas carriers and onshore storage tanks. The world's first manual venting test was conducted to establish emergency procedures. It was demonstrated that hydrogen gas can be safely released into the atmosphere in case there is a need to quickly lower tank pressure. At Hi-Touch Kobe, a liquefied hydrogen receiving terminal, in addition to the already existing flexible hose-type loading arm, we have built a rigid-type loading arm suitable for commercial use. With this loading arm, the first of its kind in the world, we have successfully unloaded liquefied hydrogen, bringing us another step closer to achieving commercialization. During fiscal 2023, with the cooperation of Japan's Ministry of Economy, Trade and Industry, the Suiso frontier visited many places, including Saudi Arabia, the United Arab Emirates, Oman, and Australia, to globally spread the word of Japan's liquefied hydrogen-related technologies. After completing a voyage totaling 44,000 kilometers, which is greater than the Earth's circumference, the Suiso frontier returned to Japan in November 2023. HySTRA aims to accelerate initiatives to supply stable, mass volumes of hydrogen for the creation of a hydrogen-based world, and will continue to explore roads leading to new frontiers.